Shri Krishnaya Namah, Shri Krishnaya Namah, Shri Krishnaya Namah. So last time we saw Maya, we saw the Elon Musk, what he said about the whole life is illusion, right? And it is also supported by Bill Gates. This was actually told by Krishna 5000 years ago. Now we'll go to a 10th chapter of Bhagwad Gita, Vibhuti Yoga, the verse 22. Vedanam Samavedosmi means in Ved, the Sri Krishna is Samved. Devanam Asmi Vasavaha means I am Indra. Krishna is saying I am Indra. Indrayanam Manaschasmi means in the organs I am mind. So how important mind is. Mind has shattered, everything is shattered. Mind is controlled, everything is controlled. Bhutanam Asmi Chetana. In every life, I am the Chetana. I am the life. So, he has very clearly differentiated between the organs, the Chetana, the life, and actual mind. Very clear differentiation. So, and if you see the one NCBI paper, the brain on silent, mind wandering, mindful awareness and states of mental tranquility. This is by one Vago and Fadel Zidane. This is on 2018 it is published, and in this NCBI paper they have clearly mentioned about how the silent brain or how the mind wandering can cause problems. So this is very well depicted by Sri Krishna. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
You have got a such point I am not able to control to say.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
This mind and Chetna, the Chetna actually gave rise to mind. But ultimately, mind has taken over Chetna.
Oh, right. Correct.
So, this is a very beautiful topic, actually. Such a very touching.
Very.
Chetna is present in all organisms, but all organisms don't have the mind.
Absolutely right.
So, Chetna gave rise to mind.
Correct.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very correctly. And
please continue.
There is one very important point here. The kosha. So there are pancha koshas, out of which one kosh is actually related to mind, and this mind is specifically not available in plants. It is partially available in animals. So that's why it is said that we should eat plants because they don't have mind. We should not eat animals because they have mind. Very clear. Plants has Chetana, and that Chetana actually transferred to human life. So we are actually eating Chetana, but not mind. So why should be one vegetarian? This is given by Lord Krishna 5000 years ago. And that's why it is very important. Very important point you have brought, sir. Okay, let's go to the very interesting story about Oppenheimer. You all know that Oppenheimer in 1933. Everybody knows this event, and after that event, Oppenheimer has come back and he read Bhagwad Gita. That was in Sanskrit. And he has translated that Bhagwad Gita. Somebody told him, you read Gita and what exactly you have done is what you have done with the little boy. What they said it as. You all know. It's a very unfortunate event. But Oppenheimer has actually read Gita and he cried for a long time. He said, I am that Vishwaroop who has actually done the vinash, the destruction. It is said by Krishna 5000 years ago, and I am that unfortunate who followed it. He cried for a long time. Long time it was a depression. And that is the same thing which is given in the Vishwarup Darshan. It is 11th Adhyaya, 32 shlok. Kalosmi lokakshaya krutpravruddho lokan samma hartumiha pravrutaha krutepi tvana bhavishyanti sarve yeva stita pratyani keshu yodha. It means that Krishna himself has told that I am the destructor, I am the producer, I am a developer. You are not doing anything. It will be just, I will get it done by Oppenheimer. Sometime the development I will get it by professors. Sometimes I will get it by my students. I will get it done by you. You are not any subject. You are just a puppet. I am the destructor. And Vishwarupa Darshan, when it has shown, it is said that it is like 1,000 sun glittering was there. And because of that, Sri Krishna, in front of Sri Krishna, Arjun really got astonished, and afterwards he really got actually afraid of that particular roop, that particular evidence and event. And he said, Lord Krishna, I understand your every type of now form. Please come to the original form which is compatible with me. I am in that manhood. I am a human being. I am a very simple person. Please come back to your simplicity so that I can have discussion with you. I am afraid of your Mahakal Roop. And that is where Robert Oppenheimer actually cried with these kind of thing. He would have read the Bhagwad Gita previous to that. He would have said, I am not going to become a Mahakal. That is what said by Oppenheimer after reading the Bhagwad Gita. Can you imagine one-to-one correspondence of Mahakal, which is actually driven by Krishna through Oppenheimer. So this is a very, very scientific connection between Bhagwad Gita and the actual how the destruction can occur. Not only that, there was a concept previous to that, there was a concept of only one sun. But over the period of time, it is found that there are so many galaxies are there. We are in Milky Way, but there are thousands of galaxies. And these thousands of galaxies, when there was no even imagination of these thousands of galaxies, in 11th Adhyaya, 12th Shloka, it is very clearly mentioned, Divi Surya Sahasrasya means thousand, Bhavet Yugap Dupasthita Yadi Bhasadrushi Sa Asyat Bhasastasya Mahatmanaha, means thousands of sun, when they glitter, they enlighten. That those thousands of sun glittering was there by Krishna at that point of time when he has shown the Vishwarup Darshan, when he has shown the Virat Darshan. It was horrible to even see that. It is very difficult. We cannot see even one imagination which is away or variated from the human being. A simple kind of imagination of ghost we cannot see. But when Arjuna might have seen that Vishwarup, where the Arjuna is not even a dot, how it would have been thousand suns. Imagination itself challenges at that point of time that there are thousand sun. There are thousand sun. Thousand sun, it means thousand galaxy. Very clear, scientific. And thousand galaxy, it is now accepted that every galaxy will have its own sun. So clear about the whole science. I think we are yet to reach to that level. Coming to human mind, let's come to something which is see, he has gone to a very wide level, and he has brought Arjuna to a level of even the cellular processes. How beautiful it is that right from the cellular processes, the nuclear processes, to the wide universal processes he has done. We all know when there is an allergy, consider, when there is an allergy, there is a autocoid secretions, histamine secretion is there, then there will be a kind of serotonin secretion, prostaglandin secretion, and now you know that leukotriene, right, and plasma kinins, bradykinin secretions are there, and naturally these also have an effect on the acidic secretion, that is the HCl secretion in our stomach. We all know cytokinin and etc. Now this is very well known phenomena when it is detected that histamine will be released from the histamine cells, and it will lead to even the release of the hydrochloric acid in our stomach. And this is basically, ultimately, it can be an effect of irritation, it can be an effect of kind of some stimulus which is not accepted by our system, our immunity. It will cause ultimately autocoids. We all know auto itself automatically coids, so it will read, and we give generally the antihistaminics, antibradykinin, antiprostaglandins. That is all we give for that purpose, right? And but these were so easily explained by Krishna in 12th Adhyaya of Bhakti Yoga 15. Okay, ki how you can actually calm down yourself. What is the root of it? What is the root of autocoids? It is very well explained. Yasmanno dvijate loko, lokanno dvijate chaya, harsham arsha bhayot vegair muktoya sachame priya. It means when a creature, a human being, when don't hate anybody, don't get too much of excited, don't have any kind of threat, don't have any kind of hate, don't have any kind of afraid, may not lead to any depression, any irritation, and may not lead to any autocoid. Ultimately, we in science we proved that if you do meditation, if you just go on meditation and keep yourself calm and quiet, no ripples in your mind, right? No ripples in the mind, calm and quiet, and you make yourself stable, you make yourself without any feeling of good and bad, there will be only joy. There will be only joy. And that is the first Yoga Sutra of Patanjali. Right? So first Yoga Sutra, that just ripples, there should not be ripples. The water of your mind should be calm and quiet. That is the sutra, and that is explained already by Shri Krishna in 12th Adhyaya, Bhakti Yoga, Shlok 15th. So with this, today I will control myself. Thank you so much. Your questions please. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Thank you so much friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.